Welcome back to another video. I'm your trader Sam, and I'm just going to take you through this quick update for Bitcoin because I can see a beautiful drop coming in the next coming hours for Bitcoin to this weekly daily level, which we have spoken about. And I just want to highlight here for educational purposes how beautiful this head and shoulders pattern has been and how you can reference this for the future to look for similar setups, because as you can see, we've broken this neckline here. We've retested it. We've retested it once again to the local 618, and we have been rejected quite nicely to come down and make this fifth wave down, which I am expecting to see in the next coming hours. And we do have some news coming out as well. It is currently 11 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time here. And in the next hour, we have the CB consumer confidence news. And I am expecting some volatility to come in to get this final drop down here where we can look to get into a long position. Now, before we do this, guys, please remember, I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. And you know what to do. Smash that like button, guys. It's going to really help this channel launch, and we're going to be doing this together. There's so many exciting things to come. So stick around, right? Let's get straight into this. So obviously we've looked at this beautiful pattern here. We also have this beautiful descending triangle which is formed where we did fake out both sides before eventually dropping beneath, retesting, and now going on to hit those potential lower prices. I really just want to reiterate this, guys, because the more you look at these kinds of things happening and you ingrain them into your head, you're going to see them popping up time and time again. And it's really going to help you with understanding what the market is presenting to you. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. I've been waiting for this one. I've got Bybit ready to go. I've just updated the legends in our Discord community, what we can expect. We've all been waiting for this one. So let's stay vigilant here and try and catch this nice trade, because it really does have some potential to turn into a nice swing trade. And I just want to show you why here. So let's zoom out and look on the 8-hour time frame to see where price could potentially go. Now, we have this sloping trend line which has formed a bump and run pattern from the yearly highs that were created on the 13th of July. We got the second touch of that trend line on the 9th of August, and we slightly front ran that trend line about a week ago. And the time is coming where we could get this potential bounce to really take us up to much higher prices. If we do get a third touch of this sloping trend line over here as well, that's just a little bit more confluence for us to add. So failing to break beneath it, gaining acceptance back above this zone here, which we spoke about, the weekly and the daily level, this is really going to look nicely for us to getting into some sort of longs or a large move to the upside. We spoke about this huge resistance level that we do have up here. And if we are to get there, that's at least 12% away. So even if we were to come up and form this bearish, quite large bearish head and shoulders, you are likely to get some sort of relief rally after such a large drop like this. So even if this move to the upside does not continue to go up and test these yearly highs in the coming weeks and months, we can still have a very nice trade on our hands here. Now, I have been vocal about this, and you would have recalled me saying it in previous videos, that there is real no need to be bearish at these lows at the 25, 26K region. It's much better to be bullish at support and bearish at resistance and keep trading these ranges until they are broken. So if you were one of the savvy ones that did get in shorts all the way from up here, you would have been sure to take profits down here at the bottom of the range, keeping a partial amount of that position open just in case you get this huge drop to the downside. And the same is going to be said if you are getting into longs down here. You obviously want to be taking profits at these levels that we have been mentioning, but also keeping a partial amount of that position open just in case in the coming months, next year sometime even, you do get this huge explosion outside of this overall range, and the bull market really starts to take off. Because guys, when things start to take off, one thing's for sure, there is no coming back. Things take off really quickly, and if you're left with your pants down, then that's just the way it is. You're left with your pants down. You've missed out. Too bad, so sad. Now I could be left with some egg on my face if price were to just come down here and slice through all of these levels that we have marked out here. However, guys, we know better than to just jump into trades without seeing the desired reaction that we are looking for. So stay vigilant. If price just starts to slice through and you don't see the reaction that you're looking for, simply stay out of the trade and wait for more opportunities to come. There are going to be lots more opportunities. If price does just slice through, well, then we will be able to look at some sort of retest to get into short positions for that further capitulation down. But don't just be jumping into any shorts or longs without waiting for that confirmation that you know you are looking for, the trading plan that you're making before you get in. Make sure you stick to it. Obviously, if price starts to do something different to what your plan is, then you stay out of the trade. But you have to be clear in your mind what you're doing so that you can come in here and you can trade like an absolute robot with zero emotions. If you enjoy these kind of updates for Bitcoin and you do want to get them live in the time, be sure to check the link below in the description to the Legends Discord community. Also, if you're looking for the best exchange to use, I recommend Bybit. It is the best out there in my opinion. It has the best fees. It's easy to use. It's extremely reliable. There's awesome support, and you can take advantage of up to $30,000 worth in bonuses by using the link below in the description right now. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.